Hello, welcome to Ken Studies. This is about CAPF AC 2020, 4 months strategy for English medium, for Hindi medium. I already prepared that. So in this video, I am describing all those you should do in coming 4 months. Today is 20th of August and your exam is on 20th of December. Means exact 4 months you have. So in 4 months, you should do something more than something, you can say. The first and foremost thing, you have to maintain consistency is the most important aspect. See the things, key, as soon as notification comes, all of you became serious, but maintain this seriousness. Whatever time you lost, you cannot recover that. But even from now onwards, you should be totally completely serious about the aspects you have to cover. See, this is not the true thing ki you will start from today onwards from ground level and you will crack. Yeah, there are few exception, but I'm not talking about exception. I'm talking about general candidate. I am talking about general aspirants. So general aspirants will not do something ki today itself you arise awake and you start preparing. A lot of things you have to understand what is all about exam and all. So I'm not going to discuss all those things. You should know. See, for that aspect I already covered in many videos what is all about exam. Here I will consider those aspects which you should do in coming 4 months, and hope कि you are already aware about the things and you are already preparing for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, or some players are old player who already have participated in this exam and maybe missed due to few marks. So first and foremost thing is to maintain consistency and self-confidence. Consistency is must, and self-confidence. It is said now कि when your hope is more uh, than your expectation, then you will qualify. You should be have positive attitude. So you are already aware कि your exam will be organized on 20th of December 2014, means 4 months you have. Now no here and there, just you should focus on fish eyes. It is said na कि Arjuna, you have to just focus on bird's eye or eyes of fish during his marriage. So you should focus ki where you have to concentrate, no here and there. Don't just invest your energy in here and there, just planning and all. Just execute. Now is the time. Execution time is there. For paper one, I hope those who are serious candidate already at least completed maximum part of syllabus. Means completed means you, this is not the things ki you are knowing everything. Means at least you uh, read one time, two time your entire syllabus. And main thing is that revision. You have to do revision and revision is the mool mantra. ठीक है? Revision, revision and revision is the mool mantra of your success. Now maximum time you should invest in revision, revising the things. You already knowing the things. See, either core subjects, geography, history, polity, economy, science and technology, and GMA, general mental ability. All things, at least you are knowing ki what is all about syllabus, what type of questions asked in the examination. So I hope ki at least one time you did that. Now multiple times you should revise. As many time as you will revise, it will be better for you. You should have command. Practice questions on daily basis. You should do question practice on daily basis. No doubt, in last after some time, I'll start a paid group of MCQ question practice, conceptual question, in which almost uh, 30 to 50 question depending on the situation I will practice, if you people will be uh, interested. So that I'll do, but you should start preparing, practice at least daily 50 question. You should do 50 question practice daily at least. Have command over previous year papers at least 10 years. Means try minimum 5 years or otherwise 10 years. Till 10 years you should have command over each and every question. See, there are some current affairs question. So in current affairs you are not required to do, because what our current affairs was asked in 2015, 2014, 2016, this has no relevance. Now you have to focus on uh, current of present time, and conceptual question, all conceptual questions, maths question, reasoning question, you have to do. So minimum 5 years, and otherwise in normal circumstances, if sufficiently, I'll say ki practice for 10 years previous year paper. Revise multiple times basic concept you should be clear. Suppose there is Swadeshi movement, quit India movement, non-cooperation movement, there these all concept, Simon Commission, why there was Simon go back, Lala Lajpat Rai and all, you should have a complete command over basic concepts, at least either in any subject, either in geography. Suppose area, boundary, different states boundary, which a state has maximum boundary, which a state is landlocked, which a state is having a longest uh, sea border and all. You should have command over basic concepts and revise multiple times. While revising, write a small notes. See, keep a small notes. Two types of notes. One, if you prepared in organized way, that's fine. But while revising the things, you should write a small notes. Suppose make pages 30, 40, 50 page dedicate to one syllabus, sorry, one subject, and in one notebook of 300 page at least you should do, and do that multiple time. So day by day your notes should be a smaller and a smaller. This is not the things ki every time you are going to details and all. Multiple times you will read na, then many concepts you are remembered. Suppose quit India movement, it is not required that you quit India movement started in Golwalia tank on 8th of August 1942, and Gandhiji was arrested and all political. See, a lot of things you should have command multiple times if you read the things. So you are not required to each and every time write the things. So day by day, as time passes, your notes should be smaller and smaller. And before 10 days of exam, you should have notes of 250 to 300 pages, that it should be revised in one day. Means after in 10 days you should at least revise these notes 5 times minimum. In 5 times in 2 days you should complete. Every week write one test for evaluation as well as learning from new questions and time management as well. See, you should write test will give two things. One, it will help you to evaluate yourself, ki where you are standing, whatever things stuffs you studied, you read, are you able to solve the questions? And second thing, you will learn some new questions as well. See, the things na, in GS, general studies, n number of questions can be prepared. You can not command on all, but you should do practice as much as possible. So test writing will give you enough opportunity to express yourself, to show your caliber, to show your capability, and it will also help you in time management. Sometimes what happens na, ki you are knowing the things, you are knowing the stuffs, you are knowing the concepts, but due to lack of practice you are not able to complete the paper in time. So it will also help in time management. You have to prepare the things, you have to write the things, you have to solve the things. Suppose in paper 1 2 hours, in 2 hours you have to solve 125 questions. Obviously you have to do the things, and you will learn which question I have to leave and which question I have to attempt, which question, in which question I'm committing mistake, and that mistake is due to which reason. So these all things you will learn by practicing in real time test. So at this time test is online. See, I'm not saying ki just appear in my test only, appear in any test, whichever test you prefer, appear in that. For ourselves, my test is our test is available in both form, both Hindi as well as English medium. So in both medium is available, questions are provided in both language. In actual exam same thing happens. So you can attempt. Otherwise you are free. I'll say any test, whichever institute's test you like, appear in that. See, we were also conducting offline test for 2019 and 2018, but this year it is not possible to conduct offline test, so only we are conducting online test, so you can appear in that. Now it comes to paper 2. I assume you have command over English language. Means command means this is not the things you are writing the book and novel, but you are knowing how to write something grammatically correct. That's the thing. You know basic structure of sentence formation. That's the thing I am saying about command. Obviously you are not an editor of a newspaper or something English literature you are having. So but I think I assume you can write it in English. But do those portion of grammar which is asked in the examination, in spite of having command over English, you should prepare for exam portion, because grammar portion, because questions are directly asked in grammar, either preposition, composition type of things, or fill in the blanks, or parts of a speech and all, as well as narration, voice, emphatic and all are asked in the examination. So you should prepare all those stuffs. Keep continue with your editorial reading till the last date of your exam. Obviously 1 week before you can leave, because see, the things are coming day by day, daily updates on something, some issue, and the latest update you have and latest update you are writing in your exam, even 3 hours, 5 hours before your exam, something interesting came, and you are writing in that exam, it will give good impression in front of examiner that you are aware about all the things happening in and around you, and you are getting updated yourself to the stuffs, to the things. So keep continue with your editorial reading till the last. It will have huge advantage in both papers, not only in paper 2, it will help in paper 1 as well. I'm always saying na ki prepare in holistic way, in integrated way. I hope you are already preparing a small notes theme wise for essay. See, in essay it is asked ki essay will be asked on modern Indian history, either polity, or economy, social issue, humanitarian issue, security issue and all. So these are theme, agriculture suppose. So prepare a small notes on these themes. It will help in report writing, essay writing, argument writing, and in other stuff as well. As now is the time, write every week one test and get evaluated. See, either you should evaluate it to your senior, friends, family members, whosoever you can consult, or you can write test of any coaching or any institute. You can write our test also. You can try. Our test is based on per test basis, so it is not required ki you should purchase whole bundle and you are investing 5,000, 10,000. Something is not happening. Our test is per test basis, so you can at least try one to two, one test, two test, three test, and if you like, at least try one test. If you like, then keep continue, otherwise no issue. This is not the things na ki you are investing 10,000 and it will be wasted. No, you should write one test. Same thing in paper 1 also, we have per test basis, so as much test you can write. Take both papers in integrated way. I always say to every candidate, go through previous year paper and understand the topics. In essay, in report writing, in argument writing, major problems our students are facing, that they are not understanding the topics many time. See, understanding just English is not sufficient, or understanding Hindi is not sufficient. You should understand the core of the question, ki what examiner is asking. It was said na in Hindi, we used to learn in our school time, प्रस्तुत पंक्तियां हमारे पाठ्य पुस्तक की राष्ट्रभाषा भाग 1 से लिए गए हैं, इसके रचयिता श्री सिमंगल सिंह सुमन है। इन पंक्तियों के माध्यम से वो बताते हुए कहते हैं कि means the following lines have been taken from our book of class this, and the topic of this, the writer of this poem or this couplet or this story is this, and he, the author, describes through these lines this. So you have to understand the topic first, कि actually what the author wants to say. Suppose author want to say or examiner want to say something else and you are understanding something else, so exact marks will be awarded for exact expression. UPSC right exact expression, orderly fashion. You will write the things which are asked in the examination. It should be in order form, it should be exact expression. It is said obviously exact expression is not the things ki definition or something. Suppose, yeah, if you are writing exact close to the topic, you will get maximum marks. Some people are getting 2 marks in essay, some 3, some 4, some are getting 14 even. Then those who are getting 2 marks, obviously they did not write proper stuffs, proper facts and ideas. Those who are getting 14 marks, obviously they work very hard, they write the expression which were close to the topic asked. It is said, it is asked in the UPSC examination, remain as close as the topic as possible. Whatever is the possibility, you should remain close and don't deviate here and there. Obviously in your essay only 300 words are asked to write, and in report only 200 words. In argument, actually nowadays it is not given ki how many words you have to write, but since it is of 20 marks, you are supposed to write 300 words. In 300 words there is no scope of deviation here and there. You should write in exact expression. See, in civil services exam 1000 to 1200 words are required, then there is chances of deviation. In some points you can deviate, there is openness, but in 300 words you are not supposed to go here and there. Otherwise, see, that's why I said na ki in essay don't write in a story format. Means in introduction there are many ways of writing essay. Some is either from quotation, either from some data, some statistics, some newspaper headlines, or in a story form. But in your essay it is of only 300 words, so you are not supposed to write a story and just based 100 words in writing a story of introduction, and you are not able to justify those that a story. So that you should not do. So go through previous year paper and understand the topic. This is most important, and I already described 2019, 2018, 2017 and 2016 paper essay, report writing and argument. In fact 2019 to 2016 I described both paper 1 and paper 2, but in 2016 paper 2 grammar part and all third part is remaining. So essay, but I already discussed essay, report writing and argument. So you can go through, or those who will join paid group and all, so I'll again describe in details. We are planning to start a batch for English medium candidates if some candidates are willing. If some minimum few numbers of candidate will be there, we'll start batch for paper 2 from September 1st week. September 1st, most probably. If some few candidates will be willing, minimum 5 candidates will be willing, then we'll start batch for paper 2 in English medium. Actually, in Hindi medium, we are already conducting the classes. We are already providing the stuffs for paid group. So anyone, if you are interested, just let me know ki you are interested. If any question and query, then put in the comment box, or uh, write message in WhatsApp or Telegram. In exceptional cases you should call, don't call in normal cases because I have a lot of work to do. But if you are willing, then you can call. Otherwise you reply, I'll reply the message either in comment box or message on WhatsApp or Telegram. I'll reply. Or those who are interested in test series, you can go through kenstudies.com. Okay, thank you.